We're going to do a little discussion on order of operations. Whoa, what's that? Okay. Order of operations is essentially just the rules by which we do algebra. Okay? It's by how we deal with numbers. And if you don't understand the order of operations, well, you're going to be messed up from now until you quit ever doing math, whenever that is. Okay? So order of operations. I use this piece. If you use something else, you want to go find a different way of doing this out on the internet, please do. But find a way for you to remember the order of operations some way, somehow, that you can remember it. Some acronym, just whatever you need. This is one way. Go find another one if this one doesn't work for you, okay? Order of operations. This stands for parentheses or groups. Take care of your groups first. Inside out. Do the ones on the inside first. Inside to the outside. Okay? Next, exponents. Get the exponents taken care of. Take care of all of your exponents. Again, starting from that inside out. Okay? Now, the next one is really, really important. This is multiplication / division. Or it could very easily be division / multiplication. Okay? And you're going to do that from right to left. Oops, wrong. From where? Left to right. As you get to it. So if I get to a multiplication first, I'm going to do it first, and then I'm going to do the next. If I get to a division first, I'm going to do it first. So do whichever one of these comes as it comes along from left to right. This one standing down here stands for, let's change that color. We've already used that one. Let's use this one. This stands for add, subtract. Or it could just as well be subtract, add. And again, we're going to do that from left to right. As you get to it. Okay, so I'm going to start on the left. As I come to it, if it's add or subtract, I'm going to take care of it as I come to it. This is the order of operations. In order to become good at this, you got to practice, 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 practice. Okay? And you're going to have plenty and ample opportunity to practice in this particular class in Algebra 2. But this is the very bare bones basic. You're going to use this in every math class. Geometry, because I teach that, and I'll probably have a bunch of you next year in that. Geometry is simply algebra with pictures. We have rules that describe equations and expressions. And then all of a sudden, we're back in algebra again. So you're never going to get rid of this. Calculus is just a real high-level algebra class. Trig, the same way. We use different symbols and so forth and so on, but you're never going to get away from this order of operations. This is a bare bones basic foundation on which we're going to build everything you do. Algebra are the rules by which you do math. All math. Statistics, business statistics. You take Mr. Rahman's course on business statistics and risk management, you're going to use order of operations in there to do that math. Okay.